Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Samil Jalisa, or you can just call me Samil. But in today's video, I'm gonna just show y'all how I basically transformed this wig, y'all. Okay, so I did something new. Got me a little bang going on. Okay, I want to show y'all this hair is from JaJa hair. All the links and all the stuff will be in the description box if you want to purchase the exact wig and all that stuff. 150 density, 24 inches, straight hair with the bang, okay? Period. So let's just hop right into the video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the team. Be one of us. This is where you want to be. Right here. So after I co-wash, I just got into the pre-styling. I just pre-straightened the hair just to get it, get any kinks out for when I actually put it on my head. Because for me, I just think it's easier to style on the mannequin head versus on my head. So that's what I'm doing. Some stats, some deets on this hair. Like I've been saying, JaJa hair, 150 density, 24 inches, straight hair. Came from Amazon, so it took 2 days to arrive. When it came, I just got a brown wig cap. It came with 2, and the wig in a bag, so that was really nice. The wig did not have a smell. There's very minimal shedding, and yeah, like this is a really nice wig, especially for it to come from Amazon. Really crazy. I thought that it had like some split ends, but not really. When I put it on, it was not split at all. So I don't know, y'all, this hair looks pretty good to me. So as you can see, that's like the before bang. Here I had my best friend Tiana thin out my bangs for me because they were too thick for me. Like for my face, it just wasn't flattering, so I just wanted them thin. I wanted a certain look. I looked on Pinterest and Instagram and stuff, and I wanted it to look a certain way, like very wispy. I might put some pictures in there for you to show like what my inspiration was, but yeah, I think that she did such a good job thinning out my bangs. They look so good after, like once I straighten them and everything. Like she did so good. So shout out to my sis. I love you. Okay, you really did what you had to do with these bangs. Okay. So she thinned them out with thinning shears. I didn't record that. You can kind of see right there. Those are their thinning shears. And then she just took regular scissors and cut them, hair scissors. And this is all the hair that came out of the bang. That's so crazy to me. But yeah, here I'm just putting the wig on so y'all can see. And we're just going to get into it, okay? Get into the bang. Okay, y'all, so I was straightening this hair and I was like, maybe I should come and talk to y'all. I was gonna do like voiceover, but whatever, I'm just gonna talk to y'all about it. So yeah, I'm pretty sure I already said in this video, this is from JaJa hair on Amazon. So yeah, this is Amazon hair. Like, you didn't think things could get better, but then it does. Okay, so of course y'all got the bang, okay? Not the bang. But yeah, so right now I'm just making sure it's bone straight because this is 24 inches in straight hair, 24 inches straight hair. So I like for my straight hair to be bone straight. I don't want no dents, no lumps, nothing in my straight hair. Like, because chances are, like, when I get 100% straight hair, 100%. When I get like fully straight hair, I already know I'm not gonna like do all the extra stuff with curling it and stuff. So especially because this is a bang wig, like that's just doing too much if I try to curl this. Let me move my camera down. I feel like yeah, okay. Anyway, so I'm probably never gonna curl this hair. I'm probably just gonna keep it straight. So yeah. So some details about the hair. I'm pretty sure I already said this as well, but just in case I didn't. 150 density, 4 inches, straight hair, bang. The only thing that I did to this wig was obviously thin out the bangs, because the bangs were so thick, like. But if that's just what the look you are going for, because I know some people do like that look, but personally I didn't want that look on my face. But if that's the look you want to go for. But thinned it out. I had my best friend thin it out for me, because she knows how to do that type of stuff. She went to cosmetology school and all that. But so all she did was do like use those thinning shears. I don't know what I recorded of her doing it, but I recorded some of it. Y'all saw in the previous clips of what she did. So she did that for me because I didn't want to mess this wig up, honey, because yeah, I don't know how to work with no bang. But right now I'm just straightening it. I'm pretty much done. I need to just do the bang. So yeah, but for the most part the hair is bone straight, y'all. One thing that I thought about the hair though was I thought it had like a lot of split ends, but after like really messing with it, like wearing it and stuff like that, this is my first time wearing it, but like now that I'm looking at it, y'all, this don't got like no split ends. This is silky. So I'm about to do the bangs. I got this flat iron from my mama. First of all, both of these are from my mama. But I got this one from my mama because I tried to do my bangs with that one and it was just too big and I want to bump them. So yeah, it was just too much, and hopefully this works. Oh yeah, this hot. Ooh. So yeah, it came in 2 days, Amazon Prime. It came a day earlier than it said it was gonna come. So it came on a Sunday, and I don't know if it's just me, but I didn't know like packages came on Sunday, like Amazon Prime or not. Like I did not, never experienced such thing. But it came on a Sunday, and yeah, it said it was gonna come Monday, but it came that Sunday. So it genuinely came in 2 days. It's the bang for me. It's the bang for me. Okay? It's the bang for me. I was really scared to try this because y'all, like, I've never had no bang before. Like, what? Ever. Like, I am a person to stick to the same hairstyles. I try to experiment with color every now and again, but every now and again, but for the most part, it's a no for me. So I wasn't 100% sure what I wanted, and so I was just looking up so many different pictures and all that stuff, and I'm pretty sure I put like inspo pictures of what I wanted and everything. So I wanted a wispy bang. Like, I wanted something really wispy and cute, and I really think that I cheated. Like, my best friend really knows what she's doing with the hair, period. So, it's super tight on my head too because it came with that band, and it's like kind of OD tight. Like, it kind of hurt a little bit, like on my head, squeezing my head. I haven't worn a wig this tight in so long because I stopped putting elastic bands on my wigs because out of laziness. But y'all, okay, elastic band really does the do. And y'all saw how easy that was to just, I didn't even spend no time doing the bang, and it's just perfect. But let me just go ahead and tell y'all, Amazon hair is really the truth. Hair in general comes fast. It really, like, DHL comes in like 3-4 days, but 2 days for some hair? Oh, okay, stop playing. With quality, like really good quality hair, like literally stop playing. And this wig literally has like no like lace on it, so it's just literally just like a throw on wig. Like, you see, it has like no lace, so you can't really do no half up half down style with this wig, but that wasn't my goal anyway. But yeah, so I just straightened it. Please don't play, like, don't play. Cue the music, cue the music. So that is the end of this video, y'all. This video is just basically how I did this wig, put it on for you guys, and just show y'all my bang, my bang. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Y'all, we are on the road to 10K, okay? Don't play with us. Join the team, join the squad, whatever. I don't have a name for y'all. Do we do that? Like, is that a thing? I don't really know, but y'all are my loves, my babies. So yeah, don't forget to join the team. Leave me a comment down below. Let's chat. And yeah, I'm gonna stop talking because I know I'll be talking y'all head off. Y'all always telling me that, but yeah. So I'm gonna talk to you guys in my next one.